Claude Code's really good at helping you understand the code base. I think anytime you're in a new code base, the most important thing is first, like, get a lay of the land, and you can actually ask Claude Code all the, like, dumb questions, and it's very happy to answer any time of the day. And so I would focus first on, like, deepening understanding, and then you can always, like, take Claude Code's answer, screenshot it, send it to a senior engineer and be like, "Hey, is this right, or is there any nuance that it's missing?" And I think one of the ways that a junior engineer can, like, kind of show their understanding and also improve the code base for everyone is updating the Claude.md with the senior engineer's response. Like, if Claude Code is wrong and the senior engineer tells you that, like, maybe update the Claude.md so that Claude Code can get this right for the next person who's onboarding. And then I think the next step is to land smaller fixes. Like, when new folks join the Claude Code team, we often ask people to fix paper cuts, and we think that this is, like, a really great way to, one, get a feel for Claude Code as a tool and what it's good at and the kinds of mistakes it makes. It also is a bit lower risk than a larger change, and it also gives you a sense for, okay, this is like, this is how I, like, land work with Claude Code more effectively. And then over time, you definitely like, as you get more fluency with these tools, you can graduate towards the larger changes. And I think the other thing is just, like, I think every senior engineer is a little tired of reviewing a lot of AI PRs. So if you're able to pretty thoroughly test your change and then also maybe teach Claude Code or any agent how to test its work, like, as you learn how to test its work, like, think of Claude Code as your intern that you're trying to level up, and, like, teach it back to Claude Code. Like, add a slash verify slash command, like, put it in the Claude MD or the agent's MD or README. Just, like, kind of approach this as senior engineers helping you level up and then you helping Claude and other agents level up.